Welcome to Bragança. Right now we are at Castelo Bragança, and that's because today we are taking this puppy over the landscape here. I'm freaking excited.
This is the only place in Europe where you can take off in a hot air balloon from a castle.
Oh, handsome. So this is actually our second time in a hot air balloon, but it's our first time taking off from a castle, which is pretty unique. Never experienced or heard about anything like it.
This is something everyone has to do at least once in their life.
Yeah.
Amelia, we're...
No problem.
This is...
That's pretty epic.
This is how I would fly the drone, but we are the hot air balloon drone. This is spectacular.
Para o VIP tenho em vista, vamos subir cerca de 30 a 40 metros só para nos ver. Okay?
Amelia,
So nerve-wracking.
we're literally like 5 meters from the ground.
Climbing the mountain. It's insane.
Ok, comandante, obrigado. Bom voo até Lisboa. Não, até Algarve. Bom voo, muito obrigado.
Yeah, okay. So today we are actually joining this crew who are doing a video of Bragança as well. So there's only supposed to be one guy on this balloon for this video. So sometimes we have to hide here in the basket, which I don't mind. It's kind of cozy.
I've always been so fascinated with hot air balloons. Like, there's so much technical skills that goes into flying this.
Yeah. They even have like a specific route that they have to follow because of the wind.
But because they read the wind,
Yeah.
you know.
And the wind is basically what takes us. The wind is basically what takes us from A to B.
Yeah.
So it's important to understand the wind, and I have no idea how they do it. I don't get it.
We're basically just a balloon, and then we can throttle and de-throttle. That's it. Elegant and elephant. This next level balloon flying. You know, it's incredible how you can maneuver it like super elegantly, and
It's like they have done this for 15 years, so they really know what they are doing, but I'm like, what is going on?
have you ever been inside a hot air balloon? I don't think so. Guys, we're pretty off-road, to say the least. We're going to this waterfall, which no one knows about. This is local insider knowledge. I think we got some beautiful scratches along the car because thorns from roses. Thorns from roses were just like along the car. Shut up. Det skete. Oh my god. Your sunnies. Jesus.
So here is exactly the reason why you want to drive in that very remote road, because you are spoiled with a complete remote private plunge pool in the middle of the nature. And I bet you if you come here, there's probably not other people coming here to bathe, and that's something you and I love too. We love just jumping in here all by ourselves. It's lovely.
But we didn't bring our bathing suit.
We could go for a quick skinny dip like that. No?
I'm not adventurous enough, Amelia. But the water looks amazing. The sun is a bit too low now because it's only 10:30. So in 3 hours it'll be perfect.
Yeah.
But this was not supposed to be part of the video, but we were told you should get here, and yeah.
Yeah. I really feel like just
We
jumping
came,
in.
we saw,
We filmed.
we filmed.
Let's come.
We didn't swim. But we're going into Bragança now, the town you've all been waiting for us to explore.
Yes.
We just walked a little bit further up the trail and got this because we thought that there was a bigger waterfall than the one down there. This was the one that you come for, and now I really want to go in the water.
Me too. I really want to jump in. Obrigada. We took the car from the waterfall and we drove to Bragança Centrum, which is actually the first time for us really taking in the centrum of Bragança.
Yeah, we've been looking forward to seeing what's what here, and this is a historic center.
We are right now at a very traditional restaurant that is located in the buttercup of Bragança. It's called Sola Braganzano.
Yeah, Sola,
Braganzano.
it even says here on the wine,
Braganzano.
Sola Braganzano. I got the white, she got the red, and wait a second, something more is coming here. Oh my god.
Os sueños.
Ooh. This looks pretty good.
Restaurant Sola Braganzano is actually a family-owned restaurant where the owner who is actually serving us, he had this restaurant in the beginning 34 years ago, and the family were actually hunters. So back in the days, people came here because the meat was like hunted by the family. And today, meat is still one of the big things you come for here.
So this place here is one of the most beautiful restaurants I've ever been to. You have pockets of history everywhere. It was so insane to see this old lady cooking this bowl of meat, and then she just grabs it with her finger. We didn't film it, unfortunately, but she just grabs it, put it on the table, and then she just put some lukewarm water on her hand. Next, she must have leather on her fingers because it was boiling, seriously. And yeah, I mean, it just doesn't get more authentic and true than this. And this is what I live for.
Everything is made here. Should we try an leather test?
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god, Johan.
So we are having this very traditional dish called butello com caçolas, and it's the thing you want to eat when you are up here in Bragança area. It's basically pork wrapped in meat, kind of sausage, and then you have this bean stew that also has heaps of different stuff, and it has been boiling for hours upon hours. Oh, and there's more coming.
Oh.
It's so old school, the food here. It's all about the flavors and the textures, and honestly, I just want to dig in. I'm gonna start with this bean stew. It's subtle, but it's still pungent in the flavors, which is amazing.
Look at this meat bomb here. Literally. Oh my god.
What is it? I
Deus meus. I feel like it's pork, it's veal, it's bacon, it's a bit of sausage, alieras. Like, why haven't I thought about this? Mixing all the best meats in one. Amelia, are you taking notes? The last couple of days here, it's just been mind-blowing. All the new things we have experienced, and Portugal, you know, it's a small country, but it has such diversity, and yeah, it's ridiculous.